How to remove background of a signature in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's go ahead and insert our signature. And as you can see, we have our signature right here. Now let's go ahead and crop our signature so that the only focus will be the signature itself. And right there, from here, click on the image that you inserted. Now click on picture format right here at the top and click on remove background. And from here, you can simply click on these two to either mark areas to keep or mark areas to remove. Now let's go ahead and mark some areas that you want to keep. Now, as you can see, as I'm marking these areas, Microsoft Word will also make changes along with the image that you are marking. And right there, if you want to remove these white areas, you can simply just cross them out like that. Now, obviously, this won't be perfect since it's going to take a lot of time. However, doing this will also save you a lot of time if you don't have any access to the internet or any background removers online. Now let's go ahead and add some finishing touches to our signature. And just like that, once you're satisfied with your highlighted areas, you can now go ahead and click anywhere outside of the image. And as you can see, although it's not perfect, we have now removed most parts of our signature and now it doesn't have any background left. And that is how you can remove the background of a signature in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.